My cat passed away yesterday. She's gone. I had to bury my cat yesterday. I didn't see she ran out and she got hit by a car. And I had to bury her yesterday. I'm still processing it. Her food is still there. Her bed is still there. I just gave her a bath on Tuesday. Yeah, guys, let's just be extra careful with our pets, especially when they're so small. She ran out without me realizing it, and now she's gone. Fly high, Lily Beans.